You want me to catch my finger? Don't take any pictures of me.
All right.
These are the Kiplings. These are Grandma Navarro's recipe that I have had for the last 40 years, and that's one of the favorites of everybody. These are the pinole cookies made with the pine nuts, and Doug, these cookies are your father's favorite, but with his diabetes, he can't eat them. These cookies, your father brought me the recipe.
What's up?
He says, Marie, you know I like macaroons. Will you make these cookies for me? When your mother had the beauty shop, he brought me this recipe of the macaroons. This is the moussette, a chocolate moussette. And Aunt Vinnie made these for me because I don't like to ice them. These here are the molasses cookies. And I want you to know, Doug, I made these cookies so special that I made a goof. I was going to make them so special that I sifted the flour, and I wasn't supposed to. So the girls at Maryville got the mistake batch. This is the new batch.
Oh, the new batch with
Yeah. Now these are coconut Krispies, and I use these for fill. See, they're not very pretty, but I only make them to even up the tray on the bottom to make a flat layer. These here are Holiday Riches, and there are people that like pecans like these cookies.
No, that's the...
These are the thumbprints, and there's everybody's favorite. Only your cousin Danny doesn't like them because they got walnuts in them.
You got what?
Walnuts. These are the chocolate crinkles. They're just like the spice, only instead of rolling them in the chocolate, I roll them in powdered sugar and then bake them. This is everybody's favorite, the butter cookie. Yeah. And then over there, that's your favorite, Doug.
This is
These are your favorite,
peanut butter blossoms.
Peanut butter blossoms. And then in here, of course, are the waffle cookies.
These are the waffle cookies.
Yeah, so we're gonna...
The pizzelle, are they?
Pizzelle, yeah.
Pizzelle, these are pizzelle.
Pizzelle,
You made those.
This is the wedding cookie in Italy they have when they have weddings.
yeah.
There it is. See,
And
there.
that's the cookies that are going in your tray. Now, Auntie Antoinette made the Anginettes.
We saw those yesterday.
Yeah, you
We
saw
got
them
those.
yesterday.
And
And
then
Auntie
you
Josie made A1, and those that you saw yesterday. So this is...
You know, I got to tell you, this is
You got the
these make the wedding
Yeah.
Wait, kidding.
because you know it warms a wedding up.
Yeah, it
It
does.
really does.
Oh, when she makes
I know
the
who's-
tray, Auntie Marie
wait,
makes
see
the
the
tray.
tray.
That's right. I know whose wedding we went to. The people couldn't stop raving.
Oh, I go back
Oh,
home.
it's right
I
there.
tell
Fix
You
everybody.
know,
trays.
at our wedding,
Yeah.
if you didn't make me a special tray, me and Dina,
You wouldn't have got in.
I'm
We
glad
never
we
would've
did
got
that for.
any.
We did it for.
She
In
did, it,
fact-
she did it for your wedding too, and
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
raved about it.
but I
We
never,
did
if it wasn't for
right
that
there
little
for
tray that
Vinny.
you
Yeah,
set aside for me, I wouldn't have known.
You wouldn't know, 'cause you're-
So whatever you do, put some aside for Doug and Diane because they're.
so pretty.
Yeah, we'll
Regans we
we'll
got.
make it a little
Marie
tray for
fixes
them.
She still keeps
Oh,
so
beautiful.
I know she does. She fixed
a
our
beautiful
tray.
Oh,
on
she
the-
is so uniform.
I think she helped me fix my
And
tray.
now I want you to know, Doug, your sister-in-law Diane is very disappointed because I didn't make the daisy cookie. She put me on a guilt trip.
Now she said she's
Your
gonna make
father,
What's
your-
her favorite?
the
the
daisy,
daisy
with the jelly.
cookies.
Oh, the
So when he comes to pick the cookies, he might find a tray of daisy cookies, Doug.
Because of your wife,
Yeah,
you made her
guilt
feel
trip.
guilty tonight.
My
Oh,
wife.
and Josie asked
Your
today.
wife.